Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy internetsnathan. How's it going, guys? I am back with a new video because you know who it is. It's the kid leader herself, Taeyeon.
You smart.
Anyways, before I get into this reaction, remember, go pick yourself up some K-pop cell phone cases at obeythekorean.net. Use the discount code internetsnathan to get 10% off. Link down in the description. Now, without further ado, let's get into this music video right now. Alright, Taeyeon, rain. I forgot to mention that it's rain. It looks... Oh, damn. Where's my inhaler? Where's my inhaler? God damn. Short hair and everything, though. Oh. I feel it. I feel it. Damn, no. Why you always gotta make me feel emotional, man? Oh, she's staring to the camera like she was staring into my soul. What? Is that gray hair? That's like ash blonde or something. I don't know my colors. Oh, look at that teddy bear. Look. I would let her sing me to sleep every single night of my life. Oh, those shorts are pretty short though. You saw that? I'm not... What? Is there a fish in there? What? I used to have a fish and then it died. Too soon? Too soon. Oh man. How does all that voice come from such a small person? Oh. So beauteous already, man. This is... Glitters and everything. Wouldn't like the fish eat that and like die or something? Hey, I'm looking out for the fish's life too. Ooh. Ooh. Why are you making my shoulders do this? Making me feel like I need to do some body rolls up in this bitch, man. Taeyeon reaching inside my heart and like squeezing it. I can't describe it. Oh, this is like that soulful like R&B style that I love, son. Ooh. Ooh, damn. What? Everything's turning into water now. What? There's always gotta have that little bit of essence of like WTF moment in every K-pop music video. It's so beautiful, man. Black and white, and then the mixture and the color of my eyes. Woo. What? It's flooding. That's... You have insurance, right? I know you do. You're rich. Ooh. Oh, man. Glitter and everything. The beautiful. Why? It's beautiful. I can't speak. You ever have like an out-of-body experience? I think that's the first time I ever had one. Taeyeon just has one of those voices that'll just... It's so soothing and so smooth, and like if you're having a bad day, just listen and then like calm your nerves and everything. It's better than smoking weed, honestly. I never smoked weed. I'm too scared. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed my reaction, please give this video a like. Comment down below what you want me to react to next down in the comment section below. I'll reply to and possibly do it in the next video. And if you enjoy what I do here, hit that subscribe button. I make videos like this every single week, so get ready for that. Also, share the Share this video with others, they might enjoy it as well. Now that was Taeyeon Rain music video. Perfection, man. It's like muy masifico, bon appetito. Yeah, that was Taeyeon. This was Internet's Nathan, and you're watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Annyeong.